I would like to know about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
Yes, actually, I don't have any particular hobbies, but I love cooking and I love go out. I love traveling, but currently I actually love to do something which will be productive for me. So nowadays, it's communicating. Communication is. I am engrossing myself all the time in this English language, and I love to connect with people. And whenever I get time, I listen to English content and I try to read some articles or from internet chat GPT. So it's my hobby, you can say, and I don't
Wow,
know what will be next.
awesome hobbies, right? Okay, I would love to know about your favorite activities that you do to improve your English.
Okay, so I really nowadays I listening so much, but really love reading. But now I don't get much time. That's why I have not bought so many books for me. I just continuing it through internet, and I have so many storybook of kids storybook because I
Yeah.
have a baby and I love to. She also loves to listen to the story, so we have so many kids storybook and I read with her and it's really enjoyable. Though this language are very lucid and it's very easy, but it helps me also.
Wow. See, here's a story. She's 2 years old, right?
Yes, yes.
Wow, great. Awesome work. Yeah, see, you are trying to make her bilingual, and I think US is a great place to make her bilingual. Like she can learn English easily, and your mother tongue is Bengali, so you would be also teaching her Bengali, right? So two
Yes,
languages.
at
Do
home
you
we
speak
speak in
Hindi?
Bengali. Hindi we speak, but here exposure is very limited. Most of the people speak in English because their mother tongue is different. That's
No,
why.
I'm just personally talking about. Do you know how to speak in Hindi?
Okay,
Because
yes,
sometimes
yes.
I have felt like people from Bengal has difficulties in speaking
Yes,
Hindi. If you
I
come to
also have
Bihar,
some
UP, they
difficulties.
know. Yeah.
I also have some difficulties with gender. Like in Hindi, I feel gender is really very complicated. I can
Oh
manage, but I
gosh.
am not that much fluent.
Yeah, okay, you are not that much fluent. Because I have been to Bengal, so I have experience, right? Sometimes it is very difficult for Bengali people to speak the pure Hindi. Yeah, and sometimes
Hmm.
even they cannot speak fluent Hindi, right? So that's why I asked. Because Bengalis, they speak Bengali everywhere, in office, everywhere. So they do not need to speak other languages. But if you come to the Bihar, like we have our regional language, that is Mathili. We know how to speak Mathili, but we do not use it in office
Hmm.
or on workplace. But in Bengal, people use Bengali everywhere.
Hmm. But nowadays, due to the movies and everything, most of the people can speak in Hindi. Mm, but there are
Yes,
exceptions,
they can,
obviously.
they can. Like
Hmm.
uh, last year, I had been to Sundarban. Yeah,
Okay.
so I was on a boat, like 18 members were on the boat. So we were on 2 night and 3 days trip on a boat, right?
Okay.
So 16 members were Bengali, and we two, me and my brother, were two people who were from Bihar, right? So uh, I felt like everybody could speak great Hindi, and the reason was that a few of them were living in Delhi. So, Delhi is a
Hmm.
Hindi speaking area, right? So that's why your meeting will end in, okay, 10 minutes. So,
Okay.
yes, I had great time in Sundarban with the people, right? They were so friendly, and I still remember few of the memories that we made together, yeah, on that trip.
Okay. So you went to West Bengal so many times. Those due to just traveling or any for any other works?
Like my maternal uncle lives in Durgapur. He has his business.
Okay.
Like he has a business where he has many trucks. Like
Okay.
he migrated from Bihar to West
Hmm.
Bengal, and he has now a good business. Right, he has 7 8 trucks, and driver. He kept drivers, and they are working for him. So I oftenly I go to Durgapur. But my main purpose, whenever I visit to Durgapur, my main purpose is to explore the West Bengal. So I just go, I stay for a while with my maternal uncles, aunties, and then I would target some place around that, okay, and I go to visit that place. So I have been to Sundarban, I have been to Darjeeling, I had been to Kolkata, everywhere, I think, in Kolkata. Still, West
Mm.
Bengal, I have left few parts of the West Bengal, so I want to explore it in next visit.
Okay, that's great.
So my main purpose is traveling, right? So I go to meet my
Yes.
maternal uncles. My mother is alive, my maternal grandmother. So I also go to meet her. Whenever I go, I just visit new places in West Bengal.
Hmm. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. And yeah, West Bengal is beautiful state. In terms of Bihar, I compare it to Bihar. Then we have also mountains in like Rajgir is very famous place in Bihar. It is beautiful place. But
Okay.
especially Darjeeling had touched my heart. I love that place, Darjeeling.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes, Darjeeling, Gangtok, these places are really nice. And you
This
can
year I
also
had been to
visit
Gangtok
Purulia.
as well. Yeah, this
Okay.
year I had been to Gangtok. So I have explored all these areas, right?
Okay, and next time you can visit Purulia. Its natural beauty is really amazing and it's a beautiful place.
Purulia, right?
Purulia.
Purulia. Okay, I will look for this place. Yeah, there are so many places which is in my bucket list. So whenever
Yeah.
I will get opportunity, I will definitely visit to West Bengal again. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So do you have any questions for me? Because I had been
So,
asking the questions in a street.
so I want to know that you have experienced 5 years of experience in this field. So I want to know that how is my English, and I have recently created my channel. So what should I do for my channel and all?
Your English is great because you have foundation, I think, and just you need to now brush up it. You had been studying in English medium school as far as I have perceived so far. Had you been
Okay,
to
no,
English medium school?
no, no, no.
Bengali
I am
medium
my
school.
Bengali
Okay.
medium and college, everything is Bengali.
Bengali. Okay. So, but I think your English is great. You have good foundation, and you are speaking of fluent English. But right now, I think you have hesitation, little bit hesitation, because you
Yes,
haven't
nothing else.
practiced a lot with people, right? So that's what you need to
Hmm.
do. As far as your YouTube channel is concerned, like you need to be regular there because YouTube is all about consistency, and you
Hmm.
have to also learn lots of skills like how to write good title and thumbnail, because title and thumbnail is the main thing on YouTube. So you will have to work on it. You'll have to learn from some technical YouTubers who are teaching how to write thumbnail and title, and how to rank your video in search list. Although sometimes it happens on its own, like you will not do anything and it will rank, your video will rank. Sometimes you will put lots of effort, after all it will not rank. So it's
Hmm.
totally up to you too. But I would say one thing is in your hand, that is consistency. Please maintain your consistency. Consistency means if you are putting out 2 videos in a week or 3 videos in a week, keep putting 2 or 3 videos every single week. You have to
Okay.
not break the consistency. If you are breaking for a few days, few weeks, yeah, it can work. But if you are breaking for a long time, then YouTube uh, works on the what ranking system, right? So it will hamper your channel ranking, and
Hmm.
that's how your channel will get affected. I myself was not regular on YouTube after 2023, and it has greatly impacted my channel. I would say, yeah, like right now I have to work a little harder to improve everything. But I would say I was building something other on the other side. Like I was building my institute, I was working there. So I
Hmm.
have no regret. I think yes, I'm in balance.
Yes, yes. Consistency is the main key.
Yes, it is the key. Another thing
Okay.
is everything comes out of experience. Like once you will start working, you will create 50 videos, then automatically, naturally you will feel like, yes, I need to improve this, that, and it will start happening.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
it depends on experience, right? Everything depends on experience. Even when we teach somebody initially, we don't have any idea, we do not know how to do it. But as you start teaching, slowly you understand, okay, I should go this way, and that's how my student will understand me, and that's how you improve every single
Mm.
day. Yeah, same
Yes, yes.
happens
Everything comes from
here on YouTube.
experience.
Experience, yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you so
So
much.
thank you as well. And I think we are at the end of the station, right? We have a couple of minutes
Yes.
left.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if you have any
Okay.
other questions, I would like to cover it. Otherwise, I would like to wrap up this session.
Okay, no, I don't have any questions. Thank you so much for inviting me on your channel. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
It was really pleasure to meet you, and I thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. Thank you very much for joining me and accepting my invitation. Thank you, and hope to see you in the future.
Yes, yes, obviously. Obviously. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
Bye.